To change the survey settings, simply click on Settings on the left menu bar. Here we have different survey settings we can change. You can enable or disable the survey title. You can also add exit link once the user completes the survey. It will automatically redirect them to your link. You can also add quiz mode and choose to display the result to the respondent once they finish the survey. You can add progress bar which shows the survey progress, and you can either place it on top or bottom of the page. There are 2 languages to choose from, Arabic and English. You can enable survey alerts as well, where you will receive email for each response. You can also add background image to the survey. Just click on the plus icon and select the image you want and hit save. You can apply the image as the survey's or the question's background. Below that, you can change the survey footer buttons as your liking. After the survey settings, we have Add Questions button to add a new question. We have Index button to see the complete index of our survey. A new page or a new question can also be added from here. Then we have Deleted Questions button, where it will collect all the deleted questions. After that, we have Question Bank to choose a question from a relative category. Below that, we can print our survey using the Print Survey button. To change the survey theme, just click on Themes button from the left bar and select a theme you like. You can modify the survey by clicking on the 3 dots icon on the right, and here you have the option to change the page logic, duplicate the page, delete the page, and move the page. Let's select Duplicate the page and select where you want it to duplicate, then just hit Duplicate. You can also apply the same modification to a question. Let's select Move Question and place it on a new page after first question. It's as simple as that. You can also edit the question content by clicking on the pencil icon on the left and make your changes and then click Update.